To delete your PrizePicks account, follow these steps. Log into your account. Open the PrizePicks app or go to their website and sign in with your username and password. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings or profile by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. Contact customer support. PrizePicks doesn't have a direct delete account option in the settings. Instead, you will need to contact their customer support team to request account deletion. You can do this by emailing PrizePicks support. Send an email to support@prizepicks.com asking them to delete your account. Be sure to mention the email address associated with your account and state that you wish to permanently close your account. Live chat support. If available, use their live chat feature on the website or app to request account deletion. Wait for confirmation. After reaching out, PrizePicks support team will confirm the deletion of your account. This may take a few business days. Unsubscribe from emails. To ensure you're no longer receiving emails, you can also opt out of their email communications.